saw you, I knew I had to take you home. My friends, they argued I couldn't raise you on my own. But I was sure that you were meant to be with me. You were my angel, sent from above to set me free. Let's get in my car, and I will take you for a ride.
Introducing Khaleesi and Coconuts Cream Party Male, born June 20th, 20. True fluffy butt. Nice plushy coat. Hey, babies. Located in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois. He is the largest of the litter, but he's still small. Hey, baby. Yes. Look at, I got your itch. There we go. Your babies. Yay. The good boy. Yes, you are. Such a good boy. Yes. Hi. Okay. Such a good boy.